Okay, let's see if I can tuck, do a bar turn. Tuck first. See how much smoother it is when I hit the ramp compared to flying all the way past it and going ugh, after catching and about a foot more air too. I don't dare to turn my bars, but I got plenty time. Just do kick outs and all kinds of fun stuff. Be able to ride a wheelie as long as the road went. You know, one thing about this bike that I've noticed, when it comes to doing a wheelie, it's not a good wheelie bike. If I was on a mountain bike, I could pull that thing right up and ride it all day long. I'll just keep it recording. See if I can make a little video out of it. Let's cruise. That's what I tried to do with you guys the other day. My neighborhood, pretty. This 44 on the front's nothing now. I could turn a bigger sprocket in this 44. My legs are getting stronger. Oh, look, a sign. And a bank. This is my chain. I need new chain. I do need a new chain. I'm scared to crank all the way on this. I'm afraid it's a break. It's an old chain. I gotta put some heft to this bike. A new chain will be part of it. pull over up on a hill. Be smart, don't be a retard. Look how nice they fixed this house up here. That's an old house right there. That brown color. It's a really old house. They got it looking beautiful. I love looking at it. They got it looking good. Listen to this chain. It's a little dry. Needs to go anyhow. Not puffing too hard yet for an old man. What happens if you stop smoking? You can pedal farther. Still rolling. Oh yeah, heck, it's only been a 3-minute ride. This is nothing, isn't it, folks? One last time. I don't know why this sketches me out so bad. It ain't that bad. See? She only likes to bite you. Oh, I've taken some tumbles already, I'll tell you. My ribs are sore. Oh well, give a heck. That's what it is. Yesterday I was landing here. From over there, I was landing there. That's why I was going, ugh! So yeah. Guys almost got a wipe out. Well, hang around. May get one yet. Yeah, when you come in like this. So I tried to make the ramp so it went more. So I come at it like this. And you try to make this swing. And you're coming in. I don't care whether you got it straightened out or not. Still, that bike goes over that way more. It's pretty wild how it all works. You gotta know what you're fucking doing when you're 50 feet in the air, whatever these guys do. Good 30. Watching Keeves and all them guys. And Sub Rosa, wow, they totally fucking rock. Yeah, those guys fucking kill it. Fucking unreal. Good enough. Happy BMXing, everybody. Oh no. You weren't supposed to see my flower garden. the hell's wrong with me?